Hi, this is Manthan from Scrapingdog.com, and in this video I will explain you how you can use our Google Shopping Scraping API. So once you sign up, you will be redirected to your personal dashboard where you can just click on Google Shopping Scraper. I'm taking a sample query of shoes, language as English, and the country as United States. When I click on Try It button, I will get this beautiful JSON response directly from the Google Shopping page. So what I get is the title, the product link, the product ID, the pricing, the old price, everything available on the Google Shopping page will be served to you in this JSON format. If you want to customize how this API works, then you can take advantage of this the list of this huge list of parameters like what the let's say you want the complete HTML of the page instead of this JSON response, then you can use this HTML parameter and mark it as true. Similarly, we have other parameters as well, like for example, TBS, if you are, applying some advanced filters, etc., etc. I've also written a guide on scraping Google Shopping using Python. I'm going to link this in the description section to check that out as well. So if you have any questions regarding this API or any other API from scrapingdog.com, do reach out to us at info@scrapingdog.com. Thank you very much.